Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my Happy Planner. This is the dashboard extension layout, and I'm going to be planning this current week. I have a bunch of sticker books picked out. I especially wanted to use the student and the teacher sticker book because I feel like the boxes are a little bit smaller, so they kind of actually fit perfectly in this dashboard layout. And then I also the Happy Girl one. And then I also grabbed productivity because I have to, tiny, and the 1 2 3 4 whatever this is called sticker book. So if you want to see what I do, keep watching. So I decided to do a voiceover for this video because they were cutting trees outside of my house, sorry, and it was very distracting. So I'm just going into the tiny sticker book and grabbing out a email and a phone icon. I thought that I would do some decor on this left side of the page just to highlight some of the sections, so at first glance you would know what it was. And also I'm going to white out some of the sections like bills to pay and to buy because they're not sections that I would normally use, and I'm going to cover them with stickers that make it more functional for myself. So I think that's something that you can always remember you can do, is make the sections fit you by covering it up with stickers instead of saying that, well, I don't really have bills or a list of to buy this week, and so I can't use this at all. So I just whited out those sections, and I'm going to replace them with special delivery sticker to mark Happy Mail and a camera sticker to mark my filming schedule. So this camera sticker does have silver foil, and I will be using gold foil, but I'll show you how I cover that up later. So now I am coming to start on the right side of the page, and I grabbed this little half box from the student sticker book as well as a priority sticker to mark what #1 priority for Monday was going to be, which was to remember to bring diapers to the daycare. I got this warning, sleeping on Sundays will lead to Monday sticker from the student sticker book, and the rain sticker is from the tiny sticker book. The busy sticker, busy day, I'm not really sure where I got that sticker from. I think it's from productivity, but I can't remember. And I put down that but first coffee and the coffee cup sticker on Tuesday, but I'm going to take that up, which you will see later. So on Wednesday, I'm putting down this TV sticker from the tiny sticker book to mark American Horror Story, which is a show I love to watch on Wednesdays. And you got this sticker on Thursday because it's the last day of our audit, which is what I'm marking with that busy day sticker on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we have an audit at work. On Thursday, I put staff meeting sticker, and that is from the teacher sticker book because we'll have a staff meeting to go over our audit results. And then on Friday, I grabbed a meeting sticker from the productivity sticker book because I have a meeting that's going to take place for a big portion of the day that I wanted to mark. I'm going to grab the teacher's rules sticker book now. And I believe I'm looking for a coffee cup, yes, to add to the meeting sticker that I put down on Friday. So now I'm adding these push pin stickers. Those are from the tiny sticker book, so just mark some events on Wednesday and Thursday. And the pen sticker I'm putting on Wednesday just as decor because I felt like it went with the theme of our audit. And all my stickers are kind of in this blue theme, and it had the same vibe. I put down a today's goal sticker, which is from productivity, and I also put down this checklist underneath my camera icon, which I'm going to end up moving over to make space for this checklist that I have in my hand now. So the checklist for 1 2 3 will be for videos that I upload, and the gray and white checklist will be for the videos that I plan to film during the week, but it all goes within that section for, the same kind of thing. Next, I am taking the phone call stickers, which are from productivity, to mark the 2 important phone calls that I need to make this week. And I'm going to take this work hard quote and put it down on Saturday, which was from the student sticker book, but I'm going to end up pulling that up. And the swim sticker on Sunday to mark my daughter's swim lessons. So now I believe I'm grabbing some undo, and that is to pull up the but first coffee and the work hard stickers because I decided that they took up too much space on the page and I wasn't able to mark the things that I really needed to mark. The But First Coffee, I'm going to move down to Saturday, and you'll see that with Undo, I'm able to peel up the stickers, and these are clear stickers. I'm able to peel them up and put them back down on the page once it's dry, and the stickers remain sticky so you don't lose them. I'm putting down this Busy, 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 Relax sticker, which I'm also going to undo in just a little bit, and this No Plan sticker on Sunday that I got from some pack from the Dollar Tree that had a bunch of foil stickers in it. These scallop stickers are from the teacher sticker book or the student one. I don't quite remember, but they fit in that space when I put the two of them together perfectly, and it just added a little bit more foil to the page, so I really liked it. Now I'm putting the But First Coffee sticker and the coffee cup back down on Saturday, and I'm going to put a to-do sticker and a checklist underneath that to mark a small to-do list of things that I need to get done on Saturday. Now I'm taking the Undo to pull up that sticker because I just didn't think that it went with the vibe of what I was going for that page, or that box rather. Now I'm just adding some decor with these little round stickers, and I added this flag to my errands list to mark one errand that I needed to make sure what stood out from the rest of them. I'm going to scrap this sticker here, and I'm going to put down some quote stickers. So this one says Messy Bunny Getting Stuff Done, and I'm just running that along the bottom of the page. You could also put a washi strip here or washi tape, but I thought that that fit well and it tied in some of the other colors. And I'm going to pull up this Busy Day sticker and put down this Today is the Day sticker, which I'm going to undo in just a moment because I don't like it, and put the Busy Day sticker back down because again I felt like it took up too much space on the page. I put down this Today sticker, but I wanted to cover up the today, and I put top priority because that box wasn't for one specific day of the week, and I put this quote down on the focus section on the left side. Now I'm replacing that Busy Day sticker on Tuesday because we're going to use that to mark the audit that we're having on Tuesday. And I'm putting down an email sticker because I want to send out some important emails on Tuesday and I don't want to forget. And I'm covering up the camera with a blue heart. So that's it for this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of my channel.